This is a love letter to a young man I've known for quite some time, longer than I'd care to admit. I may look a little different, but my eyes, your eyes, our eyes, indeed, haven't aged at all. At least that's what I like to tell myself. I'm sending this from the year 2052. Classified information to you and only you. Because, frankly, I've been lying about my age for some time. I recently turned 55 years young. And you, if any of this works, will have just turned 25. So a happy belated birthday from me. I take comfort from these old things, this place, my little sanctuary. TikTok. I should get to it. I know you're struggling. I remember what's happening with Dad. It's awful. I'm sorry. I also remember, I know how uncomfortable you feel in your skin. You feel, well, I don't need to say out loud those awful words rattling around in your head right now, do I? Instead, I want you to hear, I need you to hear that you are beautiful. I remember how far along Dad will be right now. I remember how it feels watching him go. It creeps into everything, infects us all. Hope, time, opportunity. It feels like all of this might be slipping away from you as well. And there it is. We always have been so very good at feeling. Now you have to act on those feelings. When you get this message, I know you'll be thinking about them. That summer fascination of yours, the one you took to the water. The pair of us milling around like herons, unsure. The sun coming down and they were wearing all that silver, like they were trying to ward off a werewolf. The light gleaming off it all. And you, young man, were hypnotized. They said, whenever they're at the water's edge, when they gaze out at the horizon, they feel melancholic. You saw them in that moment and wanted to give them a different memory to hold with places like that. You wanted to ask if you could kiss them. You've been going back to that spot after you didn't ask them. Wondering how different that summer might have been if... I tried going back there recently. It's lost now, underwater. Like a lot of places, I'm afraid. That spot where you looked out at the horizon with them that meant so much, that might have meant something different. Talk to them. Start with that. Act on that. This feeling and see where other feelings might take you from there. Let your life be a poem and don't let me be the full stop there at the end of it. There's a certain someone right now that I think I should talk to again. Thank you for this. I should have said this to myself a long time ago. And end.